It is 25th of March today. It is nice, sunny and a beautiful day. As promised, I'll take you to one of my next tree, which is an apple tree. I have given it a name, Red Stripe. So this is apple number 1. I have added lots of grafts onto this one. That is one grafting giant, and the variety is L star. Next to it, that is another graft which has 3 varieties. The one is Khala's variety, the other one that is an unknown variety, and that is Worcester variety, which I got from my next door neighbors. On this tree I have added lots of grafts. They are all one variety I got from Khala. That's a very nice and beautiful apple. I was learning to graft and I have added the same variety wherever I could. That's another grafting giant. On the same tree, that's another variety I brought from my brothers. It's a very nice variety, has beautiful taste, skin is very dark red. Next to it, that is a Red Love Era variety. That was a gift from Winnie's. At the bottom of this video, I'll put a link of his gardening channel. I'm grateful to Winnie for that nice variety, and I hope it will give me some fruit this year. That is its grafting giant. On the same tree, that is another grafting giant which has few grafts of the same variety. Next to it, those 3 branches, they have different varieties. They were grafted last year. That is that variety is Tom Put. The other one, this one is Adams Spearmint. That third one, that is a Braeburn variety. I had grafted on this branch another variety which did not survive, and that's its original grafting giant. On the same tree, that is a Cox's Orange Pippin, and next to it, that is a Baker's Delicious. I had about half an inch scion which had only one bud, which I grafted over here, and it has been successful, and it has grown, and hopefully it will give me some fruit this year. On the same tree, next branch, that's another variety I brought from Galton. That is its grafting giant. Next to it, I have grafted Pink Lady, bud grafted over here. That is a seed grown from Pink Lady apple, and I had grafted over here on this branch. It hasn't given me any fruit yet, but I'll see how it goes. Next on the same branch, that's a Gala variety. On this branch, I have grafted Orlean Rennet, and that is the grafting giant. On the next branch, that's Court Pendu Flat, and over here two varieties have been grafted. One is Kids Orange Red, and the other one is Winter King. Most of these varieties have been gifted by Stephen and Julia. Stephen Hayes, he has a big orchard down south, has a grafting channel. He has done a lot of research and ebook on different varieties of apples. The link you can find below this video. Next to it, that is a holly tree which I have grafted with well, a very strange variety. At the bottom of this tree, that is one graft, and grafting method was Y graft. It has grown, and hopefully this branch will produce me beautiful red berries. On the same tree, that is another graft of holly. It has very prickly, thorny kind of leaves. The leaves are shiny. On the same tree, I have done another graft, which I do not know which variety it is. By the look of it, it does not look like it is related to holly, but there must be a connection. Either they are from the same family, or there is some similarity in between both plants and their genes. Otherwise this graft could have never been accepted, could have never grown on the holly tree. So that's a puzzle. So that was about this magic tree, which has 19 varieties grafted onto this one. Hopefully most of them will fruit this year, except those which were grafted late last year. If you like my work, you can share it with your friends and family members. Please subscribe to my channel for all the latest updates. Thank you.